Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is 2 ways of making coconut flour. Will you like to know how I came up with this beautiful result on my countertop? If yes, then let's dive into the video. This is what coconut looks like, and we are going to use 4 of these to make the 2 methods. Coconut flour is gluten-free flour and it is extremely healthy and has been recommended as one of the best, even more than other flours. It is very high in fiber and is a good source of protein. Adding it to your diet may promote steady blood sugar, good digestion and heart health. It may also support a healthy body weight when consumed as part of a nutritious balanced diet. Coconut flour is commonly used in baking, particularly grain and gluten-free baking. Now let's start the process of making the 2 methods of coconut flour. We will first of all start with the plain flour. Crack the coconut open with a butcher just like so. You can as well use hammer or any other hard stuff that you'll be comfortable with when cracking it open. After which, prime out the coconut meat with a knife. Be very careful so that you won't hurt yourself. Please make sure you use a very mature coconut, not premature coconut, alright? Bear in mind that we are dividing the 4 coconuts into 2 for the 2 method. We are not going to repeat the process of cracking and priming out the coconut meat again to save time. Do bear with us, alright? For this first method, which is the plain coconut flour, we normally peel off the skin. As you can see, I've started the exercise already with my knife. You can as well use your potato peeler and be careful when doing that, alright? Keep watching. Have you liked this video yet? Please, if you have not, hit the like button to show us some love and encouragement, alright? After peeling off the skin, wash the coconut meat very well to avoid dirt, alright? Then cut into pieces to suit your blender. Do bear in mind that coconut flour is a high fiber, gluten-free, grain-free flour. If you are placed on a keto diet, coconut flour is an excellent baking product for you. It is so healthy as well for you. Next, blend the coconut until it is smooth with a warm water. After blending, use a cheesecloth to extract the milk. Make sure you extract all the milk because we do not want anything milk on this flour. For the coconut milk extracted, you can use it for your coconut oil, coconut rice, sauce, dessert soup, and any dish that requires coconut milk that is not mentioned. After extracting the coconut milk, this is what we call coconut pulp, chaff, or byproducts. Now I am spraying it on the tray, as you can see, for a sunlight to dry it for at least 4 to 5 hours. After spraying it out on the tray, use a transparent cloth to cover it to avoid insects and ants perching on it outside. You can as well use your dehydrator to dry it if you have one, but I don't recommend drying it in the oven. If you want to know why I do not recommend drying it in the oven, please let us know at the comment section. Now the byproduct is very dry, as you can see. Yeah, it must be very dry. Next, blend with your dry meat blender until it becomes very smooth. After blending, sieve to avoid particles. Finally, Virtuous family, this is the result. Can you see how beautiful it looks? You can use this plain coconut flour to make your cakes, cookies, bread and muffins. It is very healthy, even more than the all-purpose flour. Let's set it aside and move to the next method. This is the second method of making coconut flour. You can decide to make it plain by removing the skin just like the first method, or make it with the skin just like so. Both of them are very good for keto diet. Cut it in pieces to suit your blender. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not, please subscribe to the channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Like this video to show us some love and encouragement. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us, alright? This is what I got after cutting it. Now add some coconut in the blender that your blender can carry at a go, and add some warm water and blend until very smooth. Use a very strong blender for this exercise. Remember, we do not peel off the skin of this particular method. After blending, pour in a cheesecloth to extract the milk. You can use the milk for coconut oil, coconut rice, sauce, desert soup, and any other dish that requires coconut milk that is not mentioned. This is the byproduct. Spray on the tray and cover with a transparent cloth to avoid insect and ant entering it. After which, dry on the sunlight for 4 hours. After 4 hours, here is our dry wholemeal byproduct. After that, blend with your dry meal blender until very smooth, and after blending, sieve to avoid particles. And here we present to you our wholemeal coconut flour. This is so lovely and healthy as well. This is the two updates of the coconut flour. They are same. The only difference is that the first one's skin is peeled off while the second one's skin was not peeled off. Both of them are very healthy and can be used to bake your cake, cookies, muffins and bread. Watch out for some interesting video on this coconut flour. I also have some videos on how to make your coconut oil. Check the link out in the description box. We are very sure that you enjoy every clip of today's video, just as we enjoy and like bringing them at your doorstep. Try to make this coconut flour at home yourself and give us your feedback on all our social media handles. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Like the video, share the video to families and friends, and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today's video from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.